An interesting fact about vanilla extract is that it is filled with many antioxidants that are beneficial for the body. Vanilla has anti-inflammatory and anti-carcinogenic qualities that go a long way in treating many ailments. Let's take a look at some benefits of vanilla. Did you know that vanilla has antibacterial properties? It cleanses the skin from within and helps heal skin eruptions like pimples, acne, or even boils. It also slows down the aging process and fights against free radicals that may harm your body. Are you tired of coughing? You will be surprised to know that majority of the cough medicines use vanilla extracts in order to ease the cough. It acts as a mild anesthetic that cures sore throats. Vanilla has a property named capsaicin that gives relief from toothaches and also supports the central nervous system in its own little way. Vanilla extracts protect your teeth from any infections that can later lead to decaying. Vanilla has proved to be effective in soothing inflammation. This is due to the fact that it has antioxidant properties in it. Very few know that vanilla extract is filled with a good amount of vitamin B, niacin, riboflavin, and vitamin B6, which are all essential for regulating the metabolic functioning of the body. Stress levels increasing by the day can give rise to high blood pressure. This is where vanilla plays its medicinal role. Potassium present in vanilla helps in controlling the heart rate and bringing blood pressure to normal levels. This may sound difficult to digest, but it is true. Vanilla has a pleasant aroma that has a magical effect on you. This aromatic spice can instantly change your mood and make you feel happy. Vanilla oil, on the other hand, has eugenol and vanillin properties in it that helps in reducing high temperature and get it under control. Vanilla essence is beneficial for the body because it has powerful antioxidant properties that help the body to fight against many diseases. Did you know that vanilla oil can soothe burns? This essential oil, when applied on burns or cuts, can give you relief in no time. So treat your taste buds with some flavorsome vanilla and savor on its health benefits. And don't forget to subscribe to Style Craze.